Aglio e olio. It's so romantic, isn't it? Aglio e olio. If only I could speak the language properly. Say it for me. Aglio e olio. I don't even know if I'm saying it right here. Garlic pasta, yeah? There's so many versions out there on YouTube, but this is my one. It's kind of my default meal when I don't have any food in the house. And it's a really cool one actually. And how I do it is I really emulsify the garlic into the oil. So a good splash of olive oil in my pan here. I mean a really good splash. And I've got, for I think 2 portions of pasta, I've got about 4 garlic cloves. Now the trick is not to brown them, not to burn them, just allow them to emulsify. So I've turned off the heat. This is the trick. See how hot it was in the beginning? And just let it emulsify into the oil and cool down. And if some of them are brown, like that particular one, tiny thin one there, take it out. Out you go.
So you're infusing the flavor of the garlic to the oil?
I am definitely infusing the flavor of the garlic to the oil, but I don't want to brown anything. I want it to go really soft. Soft and almost like sweet, because the garlic has like its own sweetness in it. Do you know what I mean? And just stay with it. And I've still got that heat off because it's still bubbling away.
So how do you know it's done?
Well, the garlic goes really soft. Right now it's not. It's still quite hard. I'll show you. Like you keep cooking, and as I put my spoon in, I'll put some on the board here and you'll see it, right? How soft it is. You just don't want to brown it. That's the only thing. This is how you know when it's cooked. So see how soft, hang on, let me get a piece out so you can really see. See how soft it is? Look, don't touch it, it's hot. But look at that. It's really soft and translucent, right? That's how you know when it's cooked.
Oh, okay. So I thought the only thing that garlic can do is like toughen up, you know, it's crispy and
no, oh my God, crispy, deep fried, grated, oh my God, shredded, emulsified like this. Look, it's really softening in here. Come on, do you want to see?
Great. Controlling the heat is very important here.
100%. You do not want to have any brown bits in there. You want it emulsifying into the oil. Look at me. Next step to this is I'm going to grab some parsley. A lot of people don't like parsley in their pasta, but I absolutely adore it. Just it freshens everything up, you know. And just cut it nice and fine like this. It's beautiful. It's even fresh when I'm cutting it. It just smells beautiful. And I love flat leaf parsley. It's just, it has its place, you know. Okay, just a little bit of it. And then, okay, you ready? Putting this back on the heat. And I'm gonna go a medium heat. I'm gonna wait till that bubbles a bit. And it's just starting to bubble. Now I'm gonna take the pasta, which is just cooked, with that little bit of water. Look at it, I'm holding it up high so you can see it. Oil and water, dangerous, be mindful. Straight in there. And you're gonna just toss that through. You've gotta be so quick with this one. Once again, a bit of pasta, a bit of water. It's on medium heat. Yum. Straight off the heat. Get this out of the way. This is a real great dish. I love it. Sorry, I'm having a moment. Need a plate. Maybe this one. Sorry. Oh, yummy. A little bit of cracked pepper, because we have it. That's it. get me a fork, mate. Get me a fork. Let's go, people. Let's go. Do we have a fork? You want to try some? Come on, mate. Get in here. Oh my God.
Come again.
Oh. It's hot in here. I'm actually sweating. Okay. All right. Watch this. See the garlic? The garlic is all emulsified. Yeah, this is all emulsified. Like it's just, look at it.
Beautiful.
It's just coming apart. Oh, all right. Here we go.
Everybody should eat this actually.
Everybody's here is just kind of like thinking to themselves when you eat this. Blow. You know when you were a kid and your dad used to say blow before you eat? Did he used to say that?
No, my dad used to like slow down.
This is true. My dad would say hot, blow on your food. Okay. Bit more salt, yeah? Grab some salt. That's it, really.
Perfect pasta.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I would never eat that. I would never buy that at a restaurant unless it's a really good restaurant. Because once you do it yourself, you're like, the parsley's nice, right? Winning. Get some garlic ready because garlic's going to create the flavour in this dish, which is such a great way to use up the preserved lemons, which is in one of my other videos. So make sure you watch that because this is the answer to everyone's questions. It's like, oh my God, what do I do with the preserved lemons? How do I, blah, 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 blah. This is what you do with them and it's amazing. I'm just smashing these cloves like this, and then I'm just going to run my knife through them. And when we say run our knife through, this is what we mean by this. Just running our knife through. Nice thin slices, nothing flash. Okay, I've got some chilies here. These are really mild chilies, actually. They have no heat at all, do they? None. Just colour and flavour. I mean, I'm in Indonesia and I'm surrounded by chili, so for me it's just bland. Actually, I might even put some chili flakes in here to bring the heat out, right? Got my asparagus ready. Now with asparagus, this is a really kind of fibrous, woody kind of end. We don't want that. We want to cut that off because it's just too, it's like stringy in your mouth. It's actually horrible. So I'm going to get those nice buttery, see? Can't eat it, it's just horrible. I've been to restaurants before, they've served it and I'm just like, no, no. Okay, asparagus and then cut them again. So that's ready, this is ready, you've come home from work, lots is happening. I found some rocket in the fridge, I'm thinking, oh yeah baby, I'm just going to take the really woody stalks off the rocket, right? That, because I don't want to eat that. It's just not my thing. So just take those leaves off. It's a beautiful bush rocket, it's lovely. My pan is on. I've got a really beautiful cast iron pan here. I want it to be hot because I want to have that sizzle going on. My pasta is cooked. You can use any pasta you like. I've got these beautiful little gorgeous plump yummy cylinders of deliciousness right here. You can do gluten-free, doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. You don't even have to do pasta at all, you can just serve this with a salad, it's just up to you. It's getting that rocket ready. And the most important thing about cooking, right, and this is the thing, this is what everybody misses out on, is making sure your area is clean and you're feeling confident and calm. Look at me, it's like, just because I'm a chef, no, it's not because I'm a chef, it's because I'm a human and I need everything to be centered and ready before I dive into it. Now I'm like looking at my pan, it's smoking, great, turn it down. Now I'm going over to here with my preserved lemons. I've got everything kind of happening. I'm like, yes, now I can show you the best way to use these lemons. The most important thing with this is do not put your hands in there because it creates bacteria and bacteria makes things go off. So I've got these little tweezers here. I'm gonna get out a piece. This smells amazing. My mouth is actually watering even thinking about this. Did you smell this? It's like, this is 6 months, right? So in the other video, you'll notice that how we've gone through it, how to preserve lemon. This is only a month old. And this is just done yesterday. And we need to fill it up with more juice, obviously, because we ran out of lemons, but we got them this morning, which are over there, so I'm gonna fill that up. So this is the process, right? And this is how you use them. You take, they're very soft and delicious, and they're just frickin' making my whole mouth water. I'm gonna take that plump bit off there, and you're just gonna slice up the rind nice and thinly, super thin.
Why don't you use the plum?
Well, I can. It's actually delicious, but it's a bit strong. Like, you wanna try it?
Oh yeah, that's strong.
It's strong, but it's good. Good splash of olive oil. If you don't like fat, don't use it. It's your problem, not mine. I'm going with it. Asparagus straight in. You want that to sizzle. Okay, really important. Salt immediately. Not too much. All salt is not made equal. Himalayan salt is stronger than other salt. I've got Celtic sea salt, barley salt, West Australian salt. Whatever salt you have, just be mindful because some is saltier than others. This is just going to swim in the oil. Very, very quick dish. You've come home from work, right? And you want something really yummy. I'm definitely after something oily and delicious and yummy. So that's going to take like 2 minutes and no more. High heat, yeah? And remember, our pasta is ready. Okay? Our preserved lemons are done. Our rocket's ready. The kids are running around, your husband's coming home, or your girlfriend, whatever. Or you're on your own, whatever. Or you're feeding your family, it doesn't matter. Just be centered. That's still cooking, and it's been about 30, 40 seconds. And now I'm going to add the chili and the garlic on top of that. And the amazing lemon strips of deliciousness. Oh my God, that smells so good. Going to shake the pan. Stir things over a bit. And this is where you now, I'm starting, we're all starting to smell garlic, right, and chili and all the things that are coming through. You taste the spoon and flavour. Yum. It's been about, I don't know, a minute and a half now the asparagus has been cooking for. Not long. You do not want to cook asparagus for long. Last thing you want is really soft, yucky asparagus. Let that keep cooking. Really simple dish. The time will be cooking the pasta. How long did that pasta take to cook? 12 minutes, yeah. This is like literally, now we're up to about 2 minutes, which is awesome. And everything's kind of cooking down lovely. And now I'm going to add some coconut cream. And this is where you're going to be mindful because there's quite a lot of oil in here. So when water hits oil, it kind of sputters. So just be careful. I'm going to add some coconut cream to this because I want a creamy lemon pasta sauce. And this is when you taste it again to see if you've got enough seasoning in there. Yum. And then I'm going to dump my pasta, which is cooled down. I've run it under fresh water. I'm going to turn off my heat now. Pasta's in there. Now I'm going to dump my rocket on top. Be careful, it's hot. And now I just want to toss this in this glory and let it all soak up through there. Yum. Smells good. There's lots of green in there. If you don't want rocket, put spinach in there. Put broccoli in there, whatever you want, but you just want it to coat everything. Now, put hands off, remember. But rocket just gives that peppery bite to it. Kind of just marries up with the lemon, the preserved lemon. Now, I've got way more green than pasta, and that is the gig. All about the greens. lovely and delicious. And you can put some Parmesan cheese on there if you're into that. You can put some vegan cheese on there. You can put some savory yeast. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. You do whatever you like. But for me, this is like a moment of how to use that deliciousness, which is in one of my other YouTube videos. Keep it simple. Keep yourself under a great amount of care and love. Don't put so much oil in if you don't want to. Just do your thing, right? Just do your thing. It's the technique of cooking the asparagus. You don't want to cook it for so long so it's limp. You want it to be really nice and crunchy. That's it. That's it. That's it. What else can we put on there? No, really, should we put something else on there?
Savory yeast.
We can put savory yeast on there. What else have we got? We've got some fried onions. Chili flakes. Chili flakes. See, there we go. And this is what happens in your household, right? You're just trying to work out what you're going to put on there. Some fried onions, why not? Some more chili. There we have it. Delicious and nutritious. It was divine. It tastes like cream. It's amazing. Okay. Goodbye. See you next week.